are in Kanyam, Ilam.
Now let's learn about tea and its manufacturing process.
Tea plant is a species of evergreen shrubs Camellia sinensis, basically consumed in the form of beverage after manufacturing.
The very first process is tea plucking. For tea plucking, the pluckers will pluck out the first two leaves and one new bud.
The tea leaves are collected and transported to the industry. The first process the leaves undergo in the industry is weathering. The purpose of weathering is to prepare the leaves for further processing by reducing their moisture content. Now you are seeing the weather leaves being rolled in a rolling machine to bring the twist in the leaves, enhancing the flavor. Here comes the partially fermented twisted leaves, which are now exposed to the air in order to dry and darken, contributing to flavor, aroma, and strength.
The fermented leaves are now ready for drying process in a dryer machine. The tea is then transported into grading unit.
Then the tea is graded into different categories based on the quality and condition of the product. The tea is now packed and ready for the export.
The manufactured tea are mostly exported in India, China and European countries.
This graph shows the black tea import by region in 2006, 2011 and 2015.
According to Tea and Coffee Development Board, these are the list of industries for tea suppliers in Nepal. Here, farmers are directly involved with tea industry, maintaining fair trade to some extent.
From this chart, we can see around 67.5% of tea production are led by small tea farmers or growers.
The employment opportunities generated by tea industries is remarkable. 60 people and families are benefited from single tea industries, right from tea plucking to final tea packaging.
Did you know? Tea is the most consumed beverage in the world after water.